Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. I introduced you to my niece Solis last year. We decorated a holiday wreath together, and we also did a tier tray for Easter. So here we are at her house, and this is Thanksgiving weekend. And she chose the color scheme for Christmas this year. Her colors are blush pink and gold, and it's a family affair. We're all helping out to deck the halls. So sit back and relax as we decorate the house together. So after a little bit of furniture arrangement in the living room, Solis does the cleanup process and I assemble the Christmas tree. Here you see Big D stringing the lights on the Christmas tree, and Solis and I start to fluff the Christmas tree and garland. Once that's completed, we begin the process of ribboning the Christmas tree. And I'm asking Solis here which way she prefers. Does she like the ribbon cascading down the Christmas tree, or does she want it on a diagonal from side to side? After she made her choice, here I am showing her how to attach the ribbon to the Christmas tree, and then she's gonna take it from there. If you're new to the channel, I would like to welcome you. I'm Courtney, and I love decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls, and more. Honey, you are getting the whole entire lifestyle right here. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have landed on the right channel. If you're enjoying today's video, go ahead and give us a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now back to Christmas decorating. Once we're finished with all of the ribbon, we start on the garland. And last, we're going to attach the Christmas ornaments before we move on to the stairway garland. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while Solis and I finish trimming the tree.
What you bring to me, tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney, broad and black, with your pack, you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know.
Now that the tree is completed, I began working on the stairway garland. So I'm starting off with the ribbon, and then I'm gonna come in with some ornaments. Off camera, I did a wreath, and I also did the stairway garland downstairs, and you'll see all of that in the reveal. So keep on watching.
Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best.
And I ask you, what Decorate With Me would be complete without an Amethyst Adventures tablescape? So here we go, blush pink and gold, just for my baby Solis.
What I'm going to say, Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if B12 when I'm fast asleep down the chimney broad.
I made a few changes to the final tablescape look. I didn't think the gold placemat was giving me enough contrast with the black plate. So we came back in with blush pink placemats that we picked up at Dollar Tree, and also blush iridescent stemless wine glasses that also came from the Dollar Tree. Pink napkins, which we thrifted, and these beautiful crushed glass tea light holders that we picked up when we were at Z Gallery. And I think that gave our tablescape exactly what we needed. And the family is so happy with it, and that is what makes me happy and gives me life, honey. Let me know what you think in those comments. I told you that blush pink and gold was trending this year. If you recall, I said it in my at-home shop with me. And with absolutely no influence from me, Solis chose this color scheme herself. And it is gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching today. And I hope this video gives you inspiration. So until next time.